Hi, my name is Jeff. Watch me as I set up the Six Moon Designs Lunar Solos tarp tent. I lay the tent on the ground and assemble the tent pole. This tent requires a pole of 47 inches in length. The tent pole you see here is made out of carbon fiber arrow shafts. Other people will use a tent trekking pole. I'll need at least 6 stakes, but 8 stakes will give me better headroom and ventilation. I'll stake one front corner down, then pace off about 10 to 11 feet and stake the other front corner down. Now I'll go to the back of the tent and stake out the back corner. Next I place the end of the tent pole in the ground and under the peak of the tent. I'll now raise the peak of the tent and plant the other end of the pole on the ground. I will then look for the cord that connects to the peak. After I stake the end of that cord to the ground in front of the tent, I grab the loop at the end of the zipper on the front flap and attach it to the hook near the end of the cord. Now I'll go to the rear corners and stake them out. Both flaps of the tent vestibule and the netting door secure to the roof line with an oblong button and an elastic buttonhole. The netting does not open on the left side. To add more headroom, the maker attached a pull-out loop on each end of the tent. You will need about 6 feet of cord to properly stake out this part of the tent. You may need to adjust the center pole to optimize the tent pitch. I am 5 feet 8.5 inches tall, and I have enough headroom and foot room in this tent. My assessment of this tent is 2 thumbs up. I will now bring the camera to focus on the rear pullouts. As you can see, the pullout sits close to the ground, and placing a stick or rock under the pullout will vastly enhance ventilation. Thank you for watching, and happy trails.